Have you ever eaten anything that had really good flavor, but it was missing something? It might have been heat. So in this next section, we're going to learn how to add heat to your soup and really round out those flavors. And I'm not talking about making a soup super spicy. So adding heat to your dish is one way to really round out everything that's going on. In Samin Nosrat's book, Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat, heat was one of the 4 things that, according to her, if you master that, you master the kitchen. So just like layers of flavor, you can have layers of heat. There's that initial heat that hits you as soon as you take a bite of your food, and then there's that slow burn heat that develops over the course of your meal. I like to keep a few varieties of chili pepper powder in my pantry. I have an Indian version, a Korean version, and then I use paprika also. Black pepper is the most common heat that we use in our kitchen. However, don't forget that there are other choices out there such as ginger, chipotles and adobo sauce, and red pepper flakes. For chipotles, I like to open the can, wrap them individually in plastic wrap, and then throw them in a freezer bag and keep them in the freezer. That way I have that available to me whenever I want. Now that you know how to add a little something to your soup, we will touch on texture in the next section.